today we're going to be making pepper soup. This is a hard hen. Okay, I've added salt. Look at the feet. I'm going to wash it. So here I have one Habanero pepper. Okay, we don't want it too spicy, my kids. Okay, then this is Ogili. It's a local fermented beans. I'm going to be using it for this soup. I'm going to blend it with the pepper. I'm going to be introducing the other ingredients as we continue. So we have our washed chicken. With bouillon, the pepper blend with ogili and crayfish. More water, but this is hard. Have a little chopped onions. I don't want too much onions. Okay, so we add our salt. So for this, so these are the spices. We have Ehuru. Okay, it's a local spice. We have Uziza, is hot. Okay, they will have this leaf. It's called Utazi, mainly for meat or pepper soup. Okay, you add a little because it's bitter in taste, so you're gonna add it. Then we start cooking. So let's check on it. So as I said, this is a tough chicken. Okay, so potatoes. Okay, you can add yam if you want. My daughter says it looks delicious. And it looks delicious. Look at that. So the potatoes doesn't take time. Okay, that is why I allowed the meat to cook. So let's cover it and let. All right, and chicken pepper soup is done. Look at that. It looks inviting. Let's plate our food. So today we prepared chicken pepper soup with potatoes, and it's ready. It's delicious and inviting. We've come to the end of this video. Please share it, comment. I'll be seeing you once again on my next video. Bye, and God bless you.